Good morning children. How are you all? Hope all are fine. So did you all complete yesterday's exercise and understand what is past tense? Okay. Children, let's start with another grammar thing what you have to learn today. Today let's learn the position words. Position words are also called prepositions. So let us learn about them. Today we are going to study about position words. What are position words? In, on, over, under, behind. All these are position words. All these are position words. The fruits are in the basket. The cat is on the wall. The book is on the table. All these are position words. We are going to study about that today. So take out page number 60. See the first picture. All of you see the first picture. What you can see? There's a book. There's a book. Where is the book? Where is the book in this picture? Just see and tell me. Yes, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. So what is the position word over here? On. The position word is on. See the second picture. There is a milk in the glass. See the picture. Can you see the milk in this glass? Yes, you can see now. So there is milk in this glass. Which is the position word over here? In. Which is the position word here? In. You can see in this picture now, there is a milk in the glass. See the third picture. See the third picture. What can you see in this picture? The frog is jumping into the well. Can you see this picture? What is the frog doing? It is jumping into the well. Which is the position word over here? Into is the frog is jumping into the well. So here the position word is into. So see the fourth picture. The plane is flying above the house. See this picture? You can see there's a house and the plane is flying above the house. Where is above means upar. The plane is flying above the house. See the picture you can see. You can see the plane now. You can see the house. You can see the plane. The plane is flying above the house. So here the position word is above. So all this in, under, above, on, inside, up to, into, all these are position words. So see the next, the words on, in, into and above tell us about the position of the things. These words are called position words. See this third C exercise. Now we are going to do the exercise of C. What it is written? Underline the position words in the sentence. See the first sentence all of you. Allow me to go in. Allow me to go in. In is the position word over here. So underline in the first sentence. Allow me to go in. In the first sentence underline in. See the second one. I will allow you to go inside on one condition. I will allow you to go inside. Inside is the position word over here. So in the second sentence what will you underline? Inside. So underline inside. Underline inside. Then third one. What is the third one? You must leave your shoes outside the temple. Which is the position word? Inside. You must leave your shoes outside. Position word is outside the temple. The outside is the position word. So you will underline outside. In the third one underline outside. In the third one underline outside. The next one. Fourth one. The crow is sitting on a branch. The crow is sitting on a branch. See the sentence and tell me which is the position word. Where is the crow sitting? On the branch. So which is the position word? On. Which is the position word? On. So underline on. Underline on in the fourth sentence. Then come to fifth one. Come to fifth one. The cat climbed up a wall. The cat climbed up a wall. Which is the position word over here? Up. Where did the cat climb? Up a wall. So you will underline what? Up. You will underline up. The cat climbed up a wall. Then sixth one. Aditya hid behind the door. Behind. पीछे. What is behind? पीछे. Where did Aditya hid? Aditya कहाँ छुप गया था? पीछे. Behind. So which is the position word over here? Behind. So which word will you underline? Behind. So underline behind. Underline behind. Then seventh one. The parrot flew over my head. Where did the parrot flew? Over. Over, upper. Over, upper. So which is the position word over here? Over. Over. The parrot flew over the. So this is the position word over here. Over my head. Aman is standing under the bridge. Where is Aman standing? Under the bridge. Which is the position word? Under. Which is the position word? Under. So in this last one, underline under. So these all are position words. In, inside, outside, on, up, behind, over and under. All these are position words. So children, read the sentence once again, understand what is a position word and underline it after that. Okay? So be perfect with understand and then do, then only you will learn perfectly. Okay children? So complete your exercise. We'll continue with the next class. The next exercise in the next class. Till then, take care. Goodbye. God bless you all.